Hello my friends, today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're actually going to be doing a vinyasa for flexibility. So a lot of my videos have been yin yoga, but I wanted to switch it up so that way we can get some more blood flow in and just feeling more alive in our bodies. So we can start today by standing up and bringing our hands up over the head and then arching our back slightly, saying hello to the sky, and then coming down to our feet, saying hello to our feet, hello to the earth, and just bending your knees here and then rocking forward and back. It's almost like you're bending the knees and then lengthening up, rising up through the hips. If you need to, you can grab your just below the knees here and doing the same movement. But we want to keep our back neutral, so we're not concaving it, we're not overextending it. And then when you're ready, you can shift your weight to your toes and then back to the heels, to your toes, and then back to the heels. And then just pedaling out the feet here. Breathing in through the nose and then out through the nose. If for some reason your nose is stuffy, you can just breathe through the mouth. Good. And now we're going to take the left hand and then grab it and then lifting up the right hand, saying hello to the right side. What is it that you see? What is it that you hear? And again, just keeping the knees bent so you're supporting the low back. And then just coming back to the neutral, pedaling out the knees here. Again, shifting your weight to the toes and then to your heels. Just noticing how your body is functioning right now. And then we're going to do the opposite side, doing the spinal twist, opening up ourselves, opening yourself up to this new day, to this new moment of being here on the mat with me. Breathe in and breathe out and back to center, pedaling out the feet here, coming to our high plank, pushing ourselves upward. And then coming down to chaturanga, lifting up to an up dog, curling the toes to your down dog. And just taking a moment now to just recenter, to regroup. How does your body feel in this moment? Do you feel tightness more in the legs? Is it more in the heels, the calves, or the shins? Maybe it's more tightness in the low back and the spine area. Just close your eyes for a moment, just feeling where you feel more tightness. And hold now for 3, 2, 1. Let's shift the weight forward again into the plank. Nice high plank. Engaging the core here as we come down through the chaturanga to the up dog. Curling again to the down dog. Just warming up the body, circulating our blood, so that way we can gain more clarity within ourselves and for the remaining of the day. And again, let's shift the body forward, coming down, lifting up nice and strong through the palms, lifting to the down dog. Let's do that one more time. Shift your weight forward, engaging that core, coming down, lifting up, and pushing your hips to the back wall. Good. And just push your palms towards the back, so that way you can feel your legs elongating. You can even pedal out the feet here by bending one knee and then lengthening the other, just alternating. Then bring your right leg up, extending it to the left side, just circulating it one way and then the other way. And then bringing that foot between the hands, bringing your hands by your hips, lifting up, arching back, and then opening up to the right side, coming back to center, opening up again, and then arching back, and then bringing the back foot to the front, back in the forward fold position, lifting halfway and lowering, lifting halfway and lowering. Taking a moment to regroup. How does the left side feel now? Is it ready for some movement? Good. And coming to that plank again. Engaging the core, shifting our weight forward, coming down through the chaturanga, lifting up to the up dog, curling the toes to the down dog, then bringing the right leg up, opening it up, circling it one way and then the other way. Simply being aware of how the hip feels on this side. Can you lift the hip up a little bit higher? Really feeling the stretch on your left side. And then bringing that leg through the feet, the arms. Finding your balance here. If you need to, you can place the knee down. Or we're going to come on up like so. Then lifting the back leg. Opening up the arms and chest, lifting back. And opening up to me. Opening up to the other side. And back to center. Good. Now place your hands on your side, by your heart. If you'd like, you can set a new intention now for opening your heart to feeling your flexibility, to feeling more open in the body, bringing the feet together. Again, let's shift the weight forward and back, forward and back. And just like the beginning, we're going to do our spinal twist here, taking the left hand around the right ankle, opening up. If you'd like a deeper stretch, you can place that right hand by the left hip, bending the knees to support the low back, and open up again, coming to center, shifting your weight from the toes to the heels, toes to the heels, and then switching. Again, if you'd like a deeper stretch, take that hand, bring it around the opposite hip. Breathe now. And if you can, try to elongate those legs here. You can bend them and elongate. You may start to feel them shake, and that's okay. And back to center, shifting the weight forward and back, forward and back. And then coming to the plank, shifting the weight forward, really pressing into the earth, thanking the earth for supporting us, for being here in this moment. And then coming down, lifting up. And this time we're going to rest into a child's pose. So shifting your weight back. You can have your toes curled. So that way you're stretching out the muscles in between the toes. And try to reach the front of the mat here. Really be conscious in every movement. As we're being conscious in each movement, we're able to feel where we feel tightness and soreness, where we need to put more attention into our body. So just taking a breather here, feeling our stomach expand on the inhale, and allow the body to sink further into the earth through the exhale. By giving your breath to the areas of tightness, we're able to become more flexible, because we're loosening the tightness. And flexibility is simply having more flow through those areas. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. And come and shift your weight forward to a tabletop and just shake yourself out. And then drop the belly and then bring it all in. Arch the belly and bring it all in. Good. And come to a seated position. Bring your legs forward. Just shake them out. You can bend the knees to try to grab your ankles or grab the back of your heel. Keeping the chest high. And then bringing yourself back to the neutral stance, letting your feet go. And then again, engaging the feet, bringing yourself forward. Really breathing into this tightness of our hamstrings, the back of the legs, keeping the chest high. And we're just going to do a few spinal twists here by opening up our hands, keeping the back nice and pulled back, and then twisting to the right, and twisting to the left. You don't want to do very fast movements either. Just be mindful of your body, keeping the core engaged here to keep your chest high. Remember to breathe. Good. Let's do that 2 more times, keeping the feet engaged. Then bring the arms up, really reach up to the sky. And bring your head down and look up. Bring the head down and look up. And bring yourself to the floor. Bringing the knees into the chest and bringing the feet up, shaking them out. And then you're going to lower the left leg and bring the right leg closer to you. And just pulsating the leg. You don't want to pull it completely. And flexing the foot here, noticing the difference. And then you're going to switch, so bringing one leg down, the other one up. This is helping our hip flexors. Just noting how your body feels. Then bring the other leg up. You can grab the outside of your feet into a happy baby, just rocking side to side. If you feel that your spine is off the ground, you can grab your ankles and doing the same motion of pulling it down. Good. Then place both legs together, bringing them down and just twisting to the left side, arms out, and then twisting to the right side. Just opening up the spine even more now through the low back. You may even feel a massage through the glute. And as you're here, try to think about your surroundings. What is it that you hear? What is it that you smell? How does your surrounding make you feel? And then bring your legs out to our final pose of the Savasana. And keep envisioning the sounds and smells of your surrounding. How do they make you feel within your body? And envision a white light entering through the top of your head. And this white light is a cleansing light from your higher self and source. It's going to help clear any stuck energy within you by reactivating your crown chakra. This white light now enters your third eye area, between your eyebrows and your forehead. And this white light now travels down your face into your throat, allowing you to communicate with your true self, your authentic voice. This white light now enters into your heart and chest, allowing you to act through your heart to honor your truest desires and needs. This white light now enters your core, showing you your worth, your self-expression and empowerment. This white light now enters just below the belly button, enhancing your creativity and sexual desires and balancing them through authentic behavior, self-expression. Now this white light enters through the bottom of your spine and pelvic floor, inviting feelings of safety, security, and groundedness. And this white light travels through both legs, out through the feet, allowing your body to feel free now, allowing your body to just be. I surrender, I surrender, I surrender to my true self. When you're ready, you can slowly start to wiggle your hands and your feet, returning back to this moment, rolling over to one side, placing your hand on your heart. And thank you for practicing with me, Monika. As always, be sure to share this video with at least one friend and let me know what you think about this flow, or if you want me to go back to yin yoga. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.